girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too. Big girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too. Baby, you're the best.
Find me jump right off the curb. Make this right fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young on the one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause and serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the beat with P-Lady. QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them whole precision. Givers my only decision. Young on the one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make this right fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Fuck you, fuck you,
I couldn't get a bill paid, you couldn't buy the real thing. I was staying up at your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things, almost gave up on the music thing. But we all so spoiled now, more life, more everything. Must've never had your phone tapped, all that yapping on the phone shit. You must really love the road life, all that never coming home shit. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. John Rose toes, hitting hills where I pose. I start my day slow, silk pajamas when I wake though. Mirror out to the face though. I drunk text J-Lo, old number so it bounce back. Boy, one that got the bounce back. Used to get paid for shows in front door, money 5, 10, 20s, hand sanitized. After you count that, me and Gibbo was about that. Eating Applebee's and Outback, Southwest no first class. Hilton rooms got a double up, writing our name on a double cup. We ain't even have a tour bus, girls wouldn't even think of recording me. I fall asleep in sorority, I had some different priorities. Weezy had all the authority, women I like was ignoring me. Now they like, aren't you adorable? I know the question rhetorical, I took the team, play from Oracle. Mama never used to cook much, used to chef KD. Now me and Chef KD, bet on shop for 20 G's. I brought the game to his knees. I ain't make too much these days to ever say poor me. Where you at, I never see. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Niggas move so waste. Please come outside the house and show yourself so I can say it to your face. It's bound to happen, man, it's gotta happen now, so let's just get it out the way. A lot of niggas going bad on me, please, one at a time. I wanna move to Dubai, so I don't ever had to kick it with none of you guys. I didn't listen to Hov on that old song when he told me pay it no mind. I get more satisfaction out of going at your head and seeing all of you die. And I seen a lot of you die. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Hitting hills where I pose, yeah. Yeah, you already know, yeah. I'm the troublemaker in the neighborhood, far as troublemaking goes, yeah. House party of the road, yeah. I'm not kidding, play. This kid doesn't play about the flow, yeah. Y'all keep playing with your nose. yeah. You get high, do the most, yeah. How you let a kid fighting ghosts, writing rumors turn you to a ghost. Oh, you niggas got jokes.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly why water wave is my favorite texture. What's up, you guys? It's a tastemaker, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Unice hair. You guys know that I work with Unice literally all the time, and I'm really excited to bring this unit to you guys today because this is currently one of my new personal favorites. I absolutely love water wave units. I think I just need to stamp it and just say, look, water wave is my favorite texture. I like it over any other texture. I just love how lightweight it is. I love the curl pattern, and I just love how it makes me look. It's just such a pretty wave pattern. It's not doing too much. Like jerry curly, kinky curly, even deep wave sometimes can be a bit much, especially when it gets into like the longer lengths or you go up in the density. But something about water wave is just so flawless to me. It's like one of my, and it's just, it doesn't do too much. It does exactly what you need it to do without overdoing it. So today I have this 18-inch water wave unit. This is a pre-styled unit. As you guys saw, this is one of those units that's literally ready to wear right out of the box. It already had the baby hairs in there, you guys. I did not do these baby hairs, okay? They just came just like this, and I love that because a lot of girls, you know, don't know how to do their hair like at all. Like, it's just some people who are just not like gifted in that area, and it's understandable. Everybody can't do hair, and that's perfectly fine. So if you have something like this, this is perfect because it's gonna save you a trip to the hair salon, save you from asking your friends, hey girl, can you do my baby hair? It's like everything is just done for you already. And because it is a water wave unit, you don't have to worry about styling it because it is pre-styled. It does have a very deep parting space as well. This is a 7x5 bye-bye knot unit. Now, when they say bye-bye knots, that's talking about the actual knots on the unit. Most knots are like really big, and you can see them even after bleaching. You know, your knots, sometimes you feel like you need to go over it again and again and again, and that's because the knots are really big. But a unit like this with the bye-bye knots, you don't have to worry about it because, first of all, Unice actually bleached the knots for us, okay? So you don't have to bleach the knots, and other than that, the knots are really tiny on this as well. And this unit, you guys, is just, oh my god, I just absolutely love it. Now, like I said, this is a lightweight unit. This is all of the hair up front, by the way, you guys. It is not very full, so if you want something a little bit thicker, you can definitely go up in the density for this. I would say even like 200% density would be okay for something like this, but be mindful because it is short, it is going to start, you know, coming out a little bit. But like I said, the curl pattern on this is a lot looser, so it's not going to get too crazy on you, and you don't have to worry about like packing your hair with like a bunch of different like curly hair products. You don't have to put a bunch of like foaming mousse and conditioner and curl creams and all that stuff. You don't have to do that. This texture is beautiful with just water alone, and I love that about it because if you just need something that's just like ready to wear, ready to go, something just very flawless even. I also like the fact that it has a little bit of layers in it. There's like these shorter pieces that are here in the front, and then it gets longer here at the bottom, so they also make sure to like frame your face, so I'm loving that. And if you guys wanted to, you guys can definitely go a little bit longer. You guys know typically for me, I'm going for like a 24-inch all the way to like 32-inch. That's definitely more so my kind of vibe, but I've been trying to do like a couple of different like shorter looks, so I opt for this 18-inch. It's not quite a bob, but it's just like the perfect length for me. I think this is really great, especially for the springtime because it is going to start heating up out there, and we don't want to just be wearing a whole lot of hair all the time. So this is definitely something that I would recommend to you guys, and you guys saw how quick and easy this was to install. Now, this unit does have a different feature from some of your other closure units. This unit does have the pull strap in the back of the unit, and I did show you guys that earlier. That is a feature that I have been really loving on my units lately. It just adds the perfect amount of security to your unit, makes your unit fit nice and snug. And as you guys saw today, I didn't use any products to adhere this unit. This is a completely glueless install. I didn't use the lace tape. I didn't use Got To Be Glued. I didn't use lace front glue. You guys know I don't use that anyway. But I didn't have to use anything to adhere this unit. I just used the straps in this unit, and you do get 3 different straps. So of course, like I say, you get the pull strap that's in the very back. Also in the back, you get the adjustable straps that you can, like, you know, crisscross. I typically have to crisscross my straps in the back just because I have a little head. And then at the top, like right behind, like right above the ear, you get the adjustable elastic band. You can take that out or you can keep it in, but I prefer to keep all the straps in. It just gives you just the right amount of security, and you don't feel like your unit is like shifting all over the place. You know what I mean? Like I can pull my unit and my unit is not like pulling back or pulling off, and I have a smaller head, so fit is really important for me. It's one of the main things that I look for when I'm looking for a unit. Like, yes, it's beautiful, we love that it's beautiful, but it also fits really well as well. So if you wanted to, you know, you can definitely take a comb and you can go like right up underneath that lace there. Same thing over here. Like I said, this is not glued down at all, and I think that they put something like hairspray or something on these baby hairs, so they are gonna stay in place. If you wanted to like add your own twist to it, you definitely can do that if you don't want to use the baby hairs that they have. I think it's just a great feature, especially for the girls who don't know how to do it. But yeah, this is the finished look though, you guys. I don't know, let me know how you guys feel about this one. I'm really liking this one. Definitely gives me like an everyday kind of vibe. Like if I just need something to just put on, go run my errands, come back home, this is definitely that kind of wig. And like I said, it is glueless, so you can just like lift this unit up and then just put it right back down, and it's just so snug. And I love that because it's also going to be a time saver for you if you're somebody who just has a very fast-paced lifestyle, or if you just don't want to spend a lot of time like doing your hair. This is going to be the perfect unit for you to pick up, so I would highly recommend this one. It's also going to be on more of the affordable side because of the length of it and everything. So definitely check this one out. It's a personal favorite of mine. You guys know I would never steer you wrong, okay? And if you know I'm wearing it every day, that's how you know it's Tia, okay? Because I don't wear nothing but the best. But yeah, like look at that. And then let's talk about the parting on here. So like I said, this is a 7x5, so it's gonna be 7 inches across and then 5 inches deep. And then I like the color for this one as well. As you guys can see, you know, it's bleached all throughout here. I'll part it in a different section as well for y'all, so y'all can see. You know, you have like, it looks like scalp, you know what I mean? So you can part it anywhere you want to in the front. If you want to do like a side part, you can do a side part. You're not stuck with just like wearing it down the center, but you guys know by now I am a middle part kind of girl, okay? So yeah, that about wraps up today's video. If you guys have any questions or anything that I didn't cover today, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Unice Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over my new favorite unit, okay? And of course, I have to thank all of my lovely subscribers out there for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.